That's the Senate rule. I told you, mga kabatas natin, I will not change my theory. I will not have any ad hoc rescue. I will maintain drilling the point that majority is actually 13. Tapos na dapat ang usapan, di ba? Hindi, may ad hoc rescue. Pero yung ad hoc rescue, mali. Nakita niya ito eh. Kasi content ko ito eh. Rule 2, Section 2 of the Senate Rules. And the court, Supreme Court said, may independence yung Senate na yan. As a co-equal body, hindi kami makikialam sa mga opisyal nila. At sa eleksyon ng opisyal nila. Oh. Tapos, ito yung ad hoc niya. It is well settled that legislative rules and procedures can be waived and modified by legislature itself. Correct. Correct. Ang tanong ko sa iyo, Attorney Mel Santamaria, saan yung nangyaring waiver? Saan yung nangyaring modification? Kasi, you know very well that if you will make a waiver, there is a process. If you will make a modification of the rules, there is a process.